solve the triangle. This time we've got three sides, no angles. So let me label a triangle with the angles A, B, and C. We know the opposite side is 1.42. C is 1.25. B is 0.75. So which one of our laws can we use for that? Side, side, side is a law of cosines, right? And you had two versions of the law of cosines. We need the one that solves for an angle. And we have three angles that we can go for. Normally, we would go for the biggest angle. The biggest angle should be across from the biggest side, so that would be A. So let me set up the law of cosine. Cosine of A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Cosine of A equals 0.75 squared plus 1.25 squared minus 1.42 squared divided by 2 times 0.75 times 1.25. So the cosine of A equals, put all that in the calculator, 0.75 squared plus 1.25 squared minus 1.42 squared, in parentheses, divided, begin parentheses, 2 times 0.75 times 1.25. And I'm getting 0.05792. So do a cosine inverse on that. 86.7 degrees. Okay, now you've got to find a second angle. And it doesn't matter which one. How about I'll find the angle C. The cosine of C, right? I'm just going to fill in here. 0.75 squared plus 1.42 squared minus 1.25 squared divided by 2 times 0.75 times 1.42. So let's do that math. 0.75 squared plus 1.42 squared minus 1.25 squared divided by 2 times 0.75 times 1.42. 0.4771, 0.4772. So C equals 61.5. Right? And you still need one more angle, and B, you don't need the law of cosines for this. Just subtract A and C. $31.8.